Hey there, folks. It's the weekend around the world. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. And it's... oh, that's great. That's great. This is pretty classic. 3 elements, right? Very much the... let's set some values on the margins. Let's do these colors. The background is going to be what? A radial gradient. Circle. Some small number, maybe 20 pixels of a color var C, or a default color like that. And then the other color is going to be this dark color 0. It's going to be 50%, and then have a width of 33% or so, and then have a border radius of some value. And that's kind of right already. If I put an attribute on the second one, oh, and I guess I need to have this be a variable in the second. So var dash dash D, or that color. And then when I set the colors, this dash SC, it's swap dash D. And so I need this to be the black color first, semicolon, and then the red color second. The color. And then we got 3. Okay. So now let's set what? A height. I guess we can remove that background pink. 40, 50, 60 tall. These margins are wrong. Need another number here. 10, 20, 30, 40. Great. And then less margin here. 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 15, 14, 13, 12. A little more border radius, maybe 30. Okay. We've got a lot of the pieces that we want. Okay, so the way classically that I do this is to not do this and do an at. Circle at 10 pixels, 20, 30, and then do that at 0, and then a width, 100 pixels. Looks like it's more than that. 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. So it's 150 wide. Great. Now, if we get rid of this, replace the circle at 30 pixels with just 1 Q, and then we set a background position, an X, background position X, minus 10 pixels, let's say, maybe 20, 30, 40, 45, maybe. All right, let's see if that does it. I think that's the solution. There have been similar puzzles, or puzzles with similar patterns. Always enjoy one like this. Very pleasing to solve it. Assuming we get to 100%, we're still waiting on the back end, so that's a little slow. Maybe that's my internet connection, and that is 100% match, and we're going to take it. So I'm going to minify, and then is there a unit here that will reduce? Yeah, the 150 pixels will reduce down to 50 VH in our case, because the body is... oh, will it? Let's find out. Unit replace. Yeah, I think that still works. And then let's submit for a final answer. Great. And that's how we do it. Thanks for watching. It is a good weekend for me. It continues to be a very hard world for a lot of people. Be kind to yourself, be kind to each other, and go make a web page, please.